Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your phone number on an Instagram account. So I'm just going to tap on my Instagram app. So you need to tap on your Instagram app and enter, then you can see the profile page right top right bottom corner of your screen. You can just simply tap on here, then you can see the profile page. So tap here, there are three line top right corner, and tap here settings and privacy, and tap account center, and scroll down, tap personal details, and tap contact info, and tap on your phone, and then here you can section delete number. Once you tap and delete number, then here you will not able to get any notification from this number if you delete this. So after that delete, and it will be deleted. So friend, today's number, and thank you for watching.